Welcome back to another War Robots video. Let's get into it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's just gameplay, bro. And hopefully this time I got good gameplay. I ain't gonna lie. Is it this one right here? Yeah, let me delete this shit, bro. I'm gonna tell you why I want to delete it. Because one, literally I didn't win a single match. Believe it or not. I didn't win a single match. Got me on some bullshit. Trust me, this build is good. But too many people be famous on my dick. I say it all the time. They don't stop, they never stop. It's too good. How the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Like, I didn't get the guy that I wanted, bro. That was the problem. No, that's actually the true problem. I didn't even get the guy I wanted. We're losing all our bacon, but I ain't gonna lie with the fact. Am I too high? Is that the problem? Oh, that's I was too high. I was about to say, like, why can't I capture this fucking beacon? What you doing, bro? Why would you do that? Now you're dead. Should I say I'm dead? Because, like, bro, I'm getting glazed every time. You know they love me, bro. You know they love me. Oh my god. The Revenant 2, bro, like, is everything on deck today, bro? Well, unless that wasn't a Revenant, but most likely was a Revenant. I'm gonna say that. But I don't know. Bro, I'm down to 2 people already, bro. You gotta... This is why I lose every match, bro. Oh my fucking god. I enjoy just. Of course, they're that fucking faggot ass Titans. There's always faggot ass Titans. When is there never a faggot ass Titan? I didn't get to use the ability. Right, bro. We're still close, bro. Respectfully, bro. We're done. Unless I can get these two bacons, maybe we might not be as fucked. We're pretty fucked. Yeah, I'm cut. Like, I'm being targeted by this fucking sword faggot and this fucking... Can never get a worse combination than that, right? That's just fucking irritating. But, I will say this, you don't have to use, what are those weapons on the leech? I don't know what they're called. Quiver, shiver, some shit. Quiver? I don't know. Something. But, you don't have to use those. You could also use the damaging ones, the ones that came out with the sword robot, pretty much. You could use those ones. Actually, this guy right next to me has them. You could put those on here as well, and they will be good. You just gotta keep this rolling. Now, I didn't want to make this robot that super powerful because I know it's still actually good. To the point where I could actually compete, but I actually want to see how good this weapon is. They're definitely better than the light serpents. I'll tell you that one. I'll tell you that much, not that much. They're definitely better than the fire. My god, bro. Why must I be dick sucked so much? Like, bro, I literally spent 20 fucking seconds there just so the fucking beacon can turn blue. That's all I want. But no, this shit is on some fucking BS. It never wants to fucking work. I swear. I swear it don't. And I'm pretty sure I'm fucked. Bro, these weapons actually do too much, no. But this fucking beacon is still red. I quite literally can spend 6 fucking minutes on that beacon, and it still won't turn blue. Please, bro, just turn blue, bro. Just turn blue already, bro. Like, that's all I want. I still get hit by everything and die instantaneously, bro. Like, does the Nether even have a shield at this point? Like, I genuinely want to fucking know. Because if so, it's not even there. It literally isn't. A fucking minigun can actually fucking break that shit in 3 seconds. It don't matter if it's leveled up or not, bro. That shit is weak. where's the beacon? I mean, where's the fucking mothership, bro? That shit took too long. Bro, and then my mods were gonna wash. Oh, you're not. Actually, bro, like, fucking bullshit. Fucking mothership taking 5 business days before they still even deploy. Like, imagine an airstrike being like that, bro. That shit is some bullshit. What airstrike am I looking at, bro? Shit better be the airstrike of fucking doom if it's gonna take 5 business days before it even deploys. Like, actually. I'm getting fucking glazed by these 2 fucking gay ass motherfuckers. Fuck this shit, bro. Oh my god, anything to tell me after this, bro. I'm actually done. Bro, I'm actually fucking done with this shit. Like, yo, anything to kill me at this point. It's just like everybody's priority. I don't give a shit whether it's not or it is, bro. Because, like, bro, literally, I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. Bro, this game makes me lose my insanity, bro. Bro, I can't even fucking enjoy this game. I'm being so dead ass, bro. If you ever want to play the test server, don't actually pray that you're gonna enjoy this shit, bro. Because I'm telling you, you're not gonna fucking love this shit, bro. Don't worry, I'm actually just being hated on. Because if everybody else manages to enjoy this shit, it's fucking irritating. Yo, bro, I can't get more glazed than this shit, bro. You're a fucking glazed donut right now, bro. He ain't dead ass. And then there's beside me, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Oh, bro. God, bro. What the fuck is the point of even playing a fucking robot, bro? It's like, bro, I'm actually done with this, bro. Robot can't even walk, bro. My god. Bro, I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. Nah, I gotta post this shit because, like, bro, this is literally what I deal with every fucking video. Every video. Like, truly, I suffer from this game. Oh my fucking god, I even got people copying my builds out there, bro. Like, are you dead ass? and then I just like magically start going. No, I'm done. Consecutively, bro. Consecutively. I've actually gotten pissed the fuck off like so many fucking times because like yo, it's just dick suck. It's just dick suck. It's just dick suck after dick suck after dick suck after fucking dick suck. I'm being so dead ass. A person should not have to be going through this shit. Like genuinely. These fucking guys capture beacons quicker than me. These fucking guys don't have to suffer shit. Like yo, it's actually fucking interrogating me. Oh my god. Bro, I can't even kill this guy, bro. Like I'm fucking done. Alright, I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. Like, yo, this is actually what I have to deal with every fucking time I make a video. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. I spent 24 fucking hours on the last video. Because I literally spent 2 fucking days. In a total of acquired of 6 hours. Maybe even more. I don't even know how long the test server was. But 2 test servers. Because I did one at 3 o'clock, fucking 2 o'clock. And then I did one at 7 o'clock, all the way to 12 o'clock. So I don't even know how many fucking hours that is. I don't even care. But to me that felt like fucking 24. But now I'm thinking about it, it's probably less than 24. How is bro alive? If that was literally me, I would have died by the second. By the second, bro. By the second. Can't even we're already getting surrounded by like the third minute. The third minute. We're already getting surrounded. About to be on tier. Guy doesn't even have a reflector. I'm being so dead ass. Like, I don't know what the fuck is with this test server, but this shit needs to old shit, bro. Because I don't even have a fucking reflector. Can't even tell me bro was taking damage when he literally was taking damage. Like that ass.
shit. Of course we target the weaker person because he's such a bitch ass motherfucker that you can't even target a one that was shooting you, bro. I'm done. Alright. No, I'm actually tired of this. With the fact that I have to resort to every fucking power this shit's irritating. I don't think I'm gonna just accept this lead, but I'm out here using anti-robots while everybody's using fucking stuff. I mean, like, obviously I'm a strong I literally have to. Like, 5 on 1 person is great. Like, what the fuck are you using for this? I'm getting dick sucked so fucking much. Wrong fucking way, bro. Like, oh my god, bro. What does a guy do? What does a guy actually fucking do, bro? That's the end of it, bro. Honestly, bro, I give my build a solid 8 out of 10, bro. Because, like, that's basically as much as gameplay I could have gotten. And let's keep it a buck, bro. If you going against fucking Ultimate Rebanas in like 3 fucking tests, it's just game over, bro. It's just game over. That's the end of it. Please like and subscribe because I'm on 1 fucking HP at this point, bro. 1 fucking